So guys, if you have some Stone sitting in your wallet, or you are feeling like you are gifted some Stone and you want to exchange it to Ton, here is a video tutorial for you. First thing you have to do is to go to their website directly. Go to their website directly, which is stone.fi. It's simple as that. Go to the stone.fi and go to the app. After you get to the app, it's going to show you the swap. The interface is so easy. It's very easy to navigate. Just make sure you connect your Ton wallet. Okay, whether you are using the mobile app or the Chrome extension. If you are using the mobile app, just go to this browser. After you get to this browser, you are going to see the stone.fi, the centralized exchange with low fee. Okay, so that is what we are going to use now. Okay, I think the reason why this thing is not loading is because of my network. Let us reload and check it out again. So if you are using mobile, just click on this. It's going to display like this. Okay, it's going to be displaying like this on your app. So first thing you have to do is to locate your Stone. So I'm going to drive this thing up. Okay, now if you want to convert it into Ton, you can click on this to maximize everything and swap it to Ton. As you can see, just it's Ton. Or if you want to change it to USDT or the 𝐤𝐿𝐴. So let us convert it to Ton. As you can see, almost like $46. If you want to convert it to USDT, go here and search for the USDT you would like to convert it to. So it will be here. I don't think they have USDC. I don't think so. I don't think even USDC is available on Ton. So let us click on swap. As you can see, click on swap right now, and they say insufficient. You need at least. So what I did is I swapped everything. You need 0 to 3.5 Ton to swap this. So I think so. You can go here and check the slippage. So either reduce the slippage or increase the slippage. So they say I need 0.02 Ton to swap this one. Okay, so I have to get Ton. You can either get Ton from your others wallets. Let me see if I have Ton in my other wallets. So if you have Ton in that wallet, just make sure you increase the confirmation swap, and or you can wait. Okay, if you can wait for, let me go to 1%. So they say 0.5 is okay. That is the minimum, and I'm going to need 0.5 to 0.3 to this. So I have to, it's either I wait. Okay, it's either I wait because of maybe two people are using this Ton right now, which make them increase the gas fee. So the reason for increasing the gas fee is for the transaction to go up quickly. Okay, because it won't affect you though. So that's it for now. If you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.